At 8 in the morning, they said his potassium levels were 2.9. The previous day, it was 4.3. What I asked was for a second opinion that we should take it up again because 2.9 is life-threatening and it's not a joke to put somebody on an IV when he does not need it. So I just asked for a second opinion. I just asked for a sample that an outside NABL accredited lab would come and take it. I was denied. I then finally said, okay, you can get a sample and give it to me, I'll take it out. From 10 in the morning, they made me wait for 12 hours. They gave me the sample only at 10:30 in the night. I went out looking for a lab till 11:30, all the labs had shut. And I was up till 2 a.m. to know whether it was actually 2.9 because it's not a joke to just for the hospital to say if there's such a great hospital like Safdarjung, why such a discrepancy of 2.9 and suddenly it's 3.5 in the evening? And I was ultimately right that it was normal, it was 3.6. So they would have just put him on IV for no reason.
They have not put him on IV.
No,
They say.
They were
It could have. And could have is different.
They were four.
Ma'am, this is not a activist platform. This is a court of law. This is a court of law. When the
Ma'am, just one question.
This is not
activism can take rest.
I don't see
This is a court of law.
If it was life-threatening 2.9, what made them delay it for 10 hours before they gave a sample? They should have immediately allowed me to get a second opinion. If they're so indeed, wanting his health to be okay and they're concerned about it,
Then please cooperate. Please cooperate, madam.
10 hours to give the sample. And that broke our trust. And therefore, we would like to go where we are comfortable.
Please cooperate. Don't be obdurate. They know their responsibility more than anybody else.
Be on this for 5 days. There is a discharge against medical advice. If this is not happening today, we will execute that. Medanta has agreed to send the emergency van. We are going to shift him because as an individual of this country, nobody can hold me to a place unless I'm a
Ma'am, this is the activist speaking. This is the activist speaking. I'm sorry. The activist has taken over.
present